Hey, welcome back everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of adding Google reviews straight to your Wix website using a super handy third-party tool called Elfsight. This is a fantastic way to boost your site's credibility, showcase what your customers are saying, and really build trust with anyone visiting your business online. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get those positive reviews displayed right on your homepage, no coding experience required. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to elfsight.com. Elfsight is a platform that creates all sorts of widgets for websites, and in this case, we're looking for one that pulls in your Google reviews. The Google Review widget from Elfsight is super popular because it lets you customize the look and feel, so your website stays totally on brand. Once you're on Elfsight's homepage, type Google Review in their widget search. You'll see several widget templates pop up. These are preset designs you can use. Take a moment to look through them. You'll notice some show the reviews as cards, others as a carousel, or maybe a simple list. Hover over each option to preview how your reviews could look on your site. Pick the style that feels right for your business. Remember, this isn't just about aesthetics. Think about how you want testimonials to be presented. Do you want them to rotate? Do you prefer a static grid or maybe a highlight for the best review? It's your choice. Once you've found a template you like, click Continue with this template. This takes you into the widget customization area. Here's where it gets personal. You'll need to enter your business address. This literally connects the widget to your specific Google My Business profile size. So make sure you input the correct details, otherwise the reviews won't show up. If you're unsure what address to enter, hop over to Google Maps and double-check how your business is listed. Take your time here. Accuracy matters. After your address is set, Elfsight will pull in your reviews and show a live preview. Take a moment to look it over. If you want to tweak colors, fonts, or the size of the widget, now's your chance. Play around a little. You won't break anything, and most of the options are just a click away. Once you're happy with how it looks, click the button that says Add to Website for free. You'll be prompted to publish the widget and reminded to confirm you're using the free plan. Go ahead and select Free here. If you're just starting out, the free version works perfectly and doesn't add distracting branding or watermarks. Now, here comes the slightly technical part, but don't worry, it's surprisingly easy. Elfsight will generate a code snippet for your widget, which you'll need to copy. Just click the Copy Code button. This script is what makes the widget actually appear on your Wix site. Switch over to your Wix website builder. To add the widget, click Add Element or Add, depending on your editor version. In the search box, type Code and select Embed Code from the menu. When you click on this option, you'll see a box where you can paste the code you just copied from Elfsight. Drop it in, place the element where you want it to show up on your page, maybe on your home page or a dedicated testimonial section, and you're all set. Don't forget to hit Publish on your Wix site to save the changes and go live. That's it. Your Google reviews should now be displaying beautifully on your Wix website, helping build trust and turning new visitors into loyal customers. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another widget you want to learn about. Make sure to subscribe for more simple, actionable tutorials to make your website stand out. Thanks for watching, and good luck.